let's talk about some of our health practices and metabolism. Foods that boost metabolism. Foods like protein-rich foods and spicy foods and green tea can help actually increase your metabolic rate. Protein requires more energy, more calories to digest, metabolize, and use compared to fats and carbohydrates, a phenomenon known as the thermic effect of food. Spicy foods contain capsaicin, which is that heat, the heat in the pepper. It's in the seeds and the stem, which can help your body burn calories more effectively and increase fat burning. Green tea contains catechins, which can boost metabolism by enhancing fat burning and thermogenesis. Foods that decrease metabolism include refined grains and sugary drinks, and it serves to slow metabolism down. Because they're quickly digested and absorbed, leading to rapid spikes and drops in blood sugar levels, which can reduce metabolic efficiency and lead to fat storage. So there's some daily habits that kind of promote or reduce the effect your metabolism, the efficiency of your metabolism. So your daily habits play this significant role. Habits including engaging, of course, in daily exercise, especially strength training, proper hydration, and getting adequate sleep can all boost your metabolism. Exercise can increase your muscle mass, which we've mentioned is more metabolically active than fat, which increases your resting metabolic rate. Hydration is essential because even mild dehydration can slow down metabolic processes. Adequate sleep is crucial as it regulates hormones that control appetite and energy expenditure. Now, some of these habits that decrease your metabolism include a sedentary lifestyle, irregular sleep patterns, insufficient sleep, and more can slow down your metabolism. Lack of physical activity leads to muscle loss and a decreased metabolic rate. Irregular eating patterns can disrupt metabolic processes and lead to weight gain. Insufficient sleep affects hormones like ghrelin and leptin, which control hunger and energy balance, leading to a slower metabolism. So what can you do? What are your action steps? What can you do now to boost your metabolism after 30 or 40 or 50 or 60? Well, one thing that we've mentioned in every single video is that you have to exercise regularly. Incorporate both cardio and strength training into your routine. Flexibility and balance exercises are helpful as well. Well, not just helpful, necessary. So this is why we continue to talk about finding exercises that you actually love, that you enjoy, so you can stick with it, which can lead to longer lasting health benefits. Because, the best exercise for you is the one that you'll do. So you have to almost date all these health practices and exercises till you find the one that you love, that's your soulmate exercise, or one or two or three. Weight bearing exercises, as we mentioned, increases muscle mass, which is more metabolically active than fat. The more muscle mass you have, the higher your resting metabolic rate, and the more calories you burn at work or at rest and in between. Increasing muscle mass can boost your overall metabolism, which will help you increase your energy levels as you manage your weight. Cardio exercises improve, of course, cardiovascular health and increase calories burned during and after workout through the afterburn effect, where your body continues to burn calories post-exercise as it returns to its resting state. Number 2, eat protein-rich foods. You have to include high-quality lean protein in your meals to increase the thermic effect of food and enhance metabolism. As mentioned, because protein has a higher thermic effect compared to fats and carbohydrates, your body uses more energy to digest, absorb, and process the nutrients in protein. This leads to a temporary boost in metabolism. Additionally, protein helps maintain and build muscle mass, further enhancing your resting metabolic rate. Only you, with your qualified healthcare professional, can assess your diet to determine if you're meeting your protein needs, and if not, make adjustments. You need to stay hydrated, which we talk about all the time, but I'll tell you specifically why for metabolism. Drinking plenty of water throughout the day supports metabolism, of course, because water is essential for various processes, including digestion and nutrient absorption. Being well hydrated ensures that our cells function optimally, which can increase in the efficiency of our metabolism. Water can also temporarily boost metabolism through thermogenesis, where the body burns modest calories to warm the ingested water to body temperature. So there are a group of people who love to drink cold water for this particular reason. I mean, it's still a modest amount of calories, but it is something. Get adequate sleep is a standard in our lives. It's one of the pillars of health. So you should aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep each night to regulate metabolic hormones, like 2 of the hormones that contribute to controlling appetite and metabolism, like ghrelin and leptin. They're not the only 2, but they're the 2 very prominent ones. Ghrelin stimulates appetite, while leptin signals satiety. Lack of sleep increases ghrelin levels and decreases leptin levels, leading to increased hunger and cravings. Poor sleep also raises cortisol levels, which can slow metabolism and promote fat storage. The 5th thing that you must incorporate into your routine to manage your metabolism is managing your stress. Practice stress-reducing activities to prevent metabolic slowdowns related to stress hormones like cortisol. High cortisol levels can also lead to increased appetite and cravings for high-caloric foods. Managing stress through activities like meditation, yoga, time with your family and friends that you love and enjoy being around can prevent these negative impacts on metabolism. So the big question is this: does boosting your metabolism reduce body fat? The short answer is yes, with some conditions. A higher metabolic rate can help you burn more calories, which can lead to a reduction in body fat over time. However, nutrition plays a significant role. If you consume more calories than your body needs, even with a higher metabolism, you can still gain weight. The types of calories matter as well. Calories from protein, like we mentioned, have a higher thermic effect compared to calories from fats and carbohydrates, so you will burn more calories digesting protein than the other 2 macronutrients. Combining a higher metabolic rate with a balanced diet and appropriate caloric intake is key to reducing body fat. And a study in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition showed that individuals who combined higher protein intake with regular exercise had greater reductions in body fat compared to those with lower protein intake. So, overall, let's recap. Metabolism is the process by which your body converts food and drink into energy. It changes as you age due to modifiable factors like muscle loss and hormonal changes. Now, I mean, your hormones will change. They're different. There are different opportunities to reduce and mitigate some of the changes, but that aspect is inevitable. The muscle loss aspect, we can do something about. To boost your metabolism, focus on regular exercise, including resistance training to build muscle mass, a balanced diet, proper hydration, adequate sleep, and stress management. These practices can help you increase your metabolism and maintain a healthy weight, improve your energy and overall well-being. As always, you need to also talk to your doctor and your qualified healthcare professionals to just explore some of these topics and see what it means for you with your particular health. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe and like and turn on notifications for health tactics, tools, and practical advice, and share with your loved ones. Have a great day.